Assalamualaikum. This is my breakfast with fried rice and scrambled egg, tempeh and tofu. I also ordered this coffee, black coffee and tea. So this is Indonesian traditional fried rice. We usually have a breakfast with this, and fried rice is a very popular in Indonesia. So in the morning, many people eat this. You can look at this fried rice color with with cucumber cuts and tomato cuts, and those are tempeh. Tempeh is soybean. It's a fermented soybean, and that one is a scrambled egg. This is Indonesian tea, and that one is a black coffee. That's information about Indonesian breakfast. Okay guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.